You cannot miss this step, okay? This is my favorite sponge. I get it wet before I start my process, wring it out. It shouldn't feel wet, it should feel cold. These sponges are never, ever, ever, ever meant to be used dry. When they first came out, they were on QVC. It was one of the highest returned products. People didn't realize like they had to be used wet. This is going to pick up any excess product. This is going to blur the product on your pores. This is going to be what makes your makeup look so beautiful up close. If you have oily skin, especially if you have big pores, especially if you have mature skin, it's just really blurring and picking everything up. If you are one of those people that says, Katie, I can't do this step because when I do it, it picks up patches of the product, this is a really good indicator that you are using too much out the gates. I also use the same sponge to do my setting powder. Even if you think I have used the perfect amount, Katie, trust me when I say this step, it cannot be skipped.